The JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home, invites you to our Fundraising Gala on Saturday, November 8, 2025, in support of those in need on the beautiful island of Jamaica. Join us at the luxurious VIP Country Club, 600 Davenport Avenue, New Rochelle, New York. This is our first gala in New York, and we warmly invite you to celebrate and support the JAHJAH Foundation. Enjoy a 5-course fine dining experience, complemented by an elegant Caribbean-inspired cocktail hour. Dance the night away to the vibrant combination of live reggae music from Derrick, Barnett and Statement Band, alongside the high-energy sets by DJ Ricky Genius. The JAHJAH Foundation has been making a meaningful impact in Jamaica, from strengthening public hospitals and hosting health fairs in underserved communities to providing vital hurricane relief. Your support ensures we can continue this important work. Our 2025 gala theme is Vintage Hollywood, so step out in timeless glamour and bring your gracious presence. Valet parking available. Tickets available on EventBrite. Zelle info at jahjahfoundation.org. Tickets are also available at the Original Dumpling Shop, 3435 Baychester Avenue, Bronx, New York. We are the JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad and the Friends of Jamaica, helping Jamaicans at home. We cannot wait to welcome you to this extraordinary evening.